Mama Chantel just made it home. As y'all can see the car downstairs. We about to do this unboxing.
Hey,
What's up?
Let's open it now.
did you tell them don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on bell notifications?
Now you got a good point about that. I did forget to tell them to like and subscribe.
Daddy, are we opening the package
But
yet?
let's get to it, y'all. Let's get to this unboxing. So I just got my new setup for my YouTube challenge table, man. I also got me a better vlog camera because this EOS R that I'm holding in my hand is way too heavy. I just got the new Canon M50. It's like a little baby. The Canon M50 is like a little baby. It's like a little mini. I like it. Like if I could, if y'all, anybody who has a camera knows how big the EOS R is, because this is just so much better. I can use it and it's lighter. And I could just vlog and walk around with it. For any beginner, I recommend the M50, baby.
Let's open it now.
Let's open it.
Let's open it.
Let's open it!
Big box, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
And something is in this bed box. It's gonna be so huge, and it looks like a tower. You just hit my finger.
Let's get it.
Oh, baby.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Are you gonna open it now?
Yes.
Me too.
What is it?
I don't know.
What is it?
Let's open it. Ooh. Wait.
Let's put it on the bed. Let's put it on the bed.
Put it right there next. Oh.
Oh. Okay. Let's get it.
Oh, there's.
1, 2, 3.
Yay! Oh, baby. Huh?
It's a box inside of a box.
Let's open it.
Why are they playing with us?
It's a box, and there is a box.
It's a box
like this.
inside of a box.
Ah,
Box number 1. Tonio, we got your new bed. Right here.
It's my new bed. Mine. I want this.
Put it on the floor.
Okay.
Why would they do that?
I don't know. Oh, you know what?
Y'all see this, man?
You need a knife?
Hold on.
Yes, sir.
What?
Yes, Saya.
You can just do it with the car key.
What is inside the magical box?
What
Is
is
it a surprise for me?
Yeah. It's a big box.
My arm is already hurting from holding this camera.
Here you go. Drum roll. It's a green screen!
Okay, let's see what this setup is all about.
You got this?
Careful, those might be the light bulbs, baby.
Oh no.
For our lights.
Okay, let me open it.
No, these are the light bulbs for our lights.
Ooh, this is black.
Oh, it's a clip. We should save this box to store it.
Yeah. Wait a minute, this is
What am I?
a thing. This is impossible. Yeah, we don't like.
It's another one. They don't want us to have another one.
I'm gonna make myself an invisible man with this green screen.
Dahlia! No. Leave that.
She done ripped open the green screen.
These have like a certain
How do you?
way.
Oh, you gotta pull it down.
But
How?
where's the top of it?
How do you
Just
pull it down?
pull it down.
Daddy, don't look at me naked. This is not green screen.
Girl.
I want to make her body disappear and just have her head everywhere. Let's do this thing with Dahlia's floating head everywhere in like random places and just pop up. How?
You just slide it down.
They just told me how to do
I
this.
got it. I got it. You can slide that down pretty far.
Where's the instructions?
Oh, here's the white screen.
They're in the box. Don't open that one, Dahlia.
I already opened this one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we didn't get the light bulbs. It takes like, look
They're
at
all
all.
in here.
They're
All the
Oh
light bulbs.
man, we about to light this up, baby. What are you doing? She found a new home.
You can buy my new home. Hi, baby.
What about this right here?
Come on.
I think this is what you're supposed to have on.
Oh, right here. It's a really huge
Whoa.
light.
Here in your face.
I keep saying what you said
About what?
about me not knowing how to put the lights up. What did you say? Hey, look at me. Come here, look at me real
Let me
fast.
show you something.
Wait, let me look
I'm
at you
gonna
real
look at
fast.
the other light.
Wait, babe, look at me.
No.
Babe.
No. Let me just show you.
Here.
But I already know. You're trying to be funny, but I already
No,
know.
I'm serious. I just want to show you.
He's saying that it's the right way because he's the one that did it.
So,
Huh?
It's unstable.
It's not unstable. Justin just likes to be like he's right all the time.
No, this gives it more stability how these are upright.
I like this viewfinder. It doesn't give it more stability. It's all about adjusting the height, baby. It's just a height adjustment.
Look it up.
Look it up.
You know they got the corners to put together everything.
that's it. Yeah. It gets me every time.
We need something to have it like up here. Okay, you guys stop because I'm about to bring the thing out real fast.
Yeah. But that cannot be right in a little hole. Huh?
There's no more for you.
Oh no, watch out.
Justin,
Oh, man.
say something funny.
Move back.
Psych, I'll lie. Your carpet is fried.
Psych, I lie. Your brain is fried.
Ooh! Oh.
Psych, I lie. Your brain is fried.
I guess it's only meant for like a certain section of it. Because it's not
Psych,
even all the way
I
through.
lie. Your brain is fried.
Psych, I'll lie. Get out of my mind.
I think it's too long.
Psych, I lie. Your brain is fried.
Like, it's in front, I got you right now.
Put me on top of a pyramid. I'm swimming. I'm swimming. Oh, we're in snow.
It'd be cool. We get like fake snow and like.
Wow. So nice. So cold.
It's crazy how the LCD, man, on the M50 look better than this.
I'm gonna take this down, okay?
Yeah, go ahead.
You only got 1, 2, 3, 4. Psych, I lie.
All right, guys. So we're gonna take the green screen down, and we're gonna try the lights out later on. But I think that's it for the unboxing. Yeah, I just want to see what it look like. I'm putting the lights together. So it's challenge time. That's like my signature move.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications. Do it right now. If you don't do it, you don't love us.